Maisy here. Hello, bird. Look inside my basket. It's full of eggs. I'm getting ready for an egg hunt. I'll put the blue one in a wheelbarrow. I'll put this red one behind a bush shrub.
Are you ready for an egg hunt? Leave us a comment.
Put this purple one under the flowers, bird. Okay. I'll put the green one next to my house and the pink one on the window.
Ah, look what I found. I found an egg. Hey, Maisy! 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 I found an egg.
Charlie, the egg hunt isn't ready yet.
What? Oh, well. I'll put it back.
Silly crocodile. I'll put this grey one on the tree. I'll put the orange one in the bucket.
Can I help you, please, Maisy?
You're gonna hide the blue egg, Charlie.
I'll put the blue egg behind the bush next to the red one. Got any eggs left?
Nope, I think that's it. Get ready for the egg hunt in John Cena style.
Hello, Cyril and Tallulah.
We heard that song in the last free videos.
Yeah!
Yeah, me too.
The music's about to start. Ready, set, go!
I found one.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot, I fell off. I'm still not the shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn it swell off. The franchise doing big business. I'm in this, it's automatic. I win so you can't finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on
Ah, I found another egg. Now I got two of them.
Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing.
I
with
found
no
one in the bucket.
Wait, I got my
Now I've got
soul straight. I brush
three
your
of them.
mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy's so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater.
Any eggs here? No.
Whole plan.
Oh.
Down for the 3 second tan. Your time is up, my time is now.
Ah! I found one under the flowers. Exactly.
Thanks, bird. There's two of them at Maisy's house.
Music off now, please. Now it's time for a feast. I love a feast.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Me 5. There's chocolate inside. See ya.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye.